Hello class, this is Yamira Lee Johnson. This is my week 8 video homework for the New American Speaker program, and it's called My Abuela's Love. I chose my maternal grandmother as my memorable person. My abuela was incredibly special to me, and her memories helped me get through extremely hard times in my childhood. I was about 5 years young when she passed away, but I still remember how she made me feel. My abuela was shy, quiet. She stayed home and had this peaceful energy around her. But by the time I met my abuela, she had gone through a lot in her life, things that I might not even never know. But she was also strong. That's how I know she went through things growing up. She was determined, and she made me feel loved, safe, and cared for. My grandmother did not have a high school education, but she was an expert at caring for her family. Her sons were tradesmen, like my grandfather, but she encouraged her daughters to complete higher education and pursue careers in education, health, and finances. My grandfather went out and worked. She stayed at home and supported her family. After my grandparents passed away and my mother fell ill, my childhood changed. In the darkest times, thoughts of my grandmother caring for me, making dinner for all her family, how everyone would look at her with so much love, and how I felt so loved. Those memories gave me hope. It gave me hope that one day, when I have my own family, I will enjoy those feelings again. And that's where I based all of the decisions and sacrifices and the education I pursue and the dreams and goals have been based on those thoughts. So my abuela's spirit of love and dedication have been a great influence on my family and career. Thank you for watching.